Removal of BMW E46 Rear door interior window frame. Before we begin, Step 1. Detach the wiring. Step 2. Free the lower rear section. Step 3. Free the upper rear section. Step 4. Free the lower front section. Step 5. Free the upper front section. Step 6. Free the center vertical section. Step 7. Free the metal clamp. Our company's name is OCLS, an acronym for Old Car Life Extension Systems. We sell high-quality, used, OEM replacement BMW parts on eBay. The link in the description below lists parts that might be damaged or missing during the procedure just described.